In this video, we're going to look a little bit at what Pythagoras' theorem is. Now, Pythagoras' theorem, we have this equation here, h squared equals a squared plus b squared. And so Pythagoras' theorem is all about right angle triangles. And so here we've got a picture of a right angle triangle, and a right angle triangle essentially always has a 90-degree angle. So this here in the corner is a 90-degree angle. So every right angle triangle has one of these. And Pythagoras' theorem here, it shows us the connection between the sides. And so the use of this formula is if we know two of the sides, we can work out the length of the other one. And so just in terms of how this works, so if we imagine with this triangle that we had a length of 3 on this side. Now, if we built a square off the side, this would also be a length of 3 along here because squares have the same length and width, so 3 by 3. Now, we could say that's 3 squared. This square would have an area of 9. And then if we think about this side here, and so let's imagine that that's a length of 4 on the side. And so if this is a length of 4 and we built a 4 by 4 square off it, then the area of this would be 16. Now, what happens when we have a triangle with a length of 3 there and a length of 4 there? The other side here, our longest side, is always going to be 5. And if we went and we built a square off that side of the triangle, it'd be a 5 by 5, or what we call 5 squared, would be 25. Now, if we look here at Pythagoras' theorem, it says that h squared. Now, what h stands for is the hypotenuse. And the hypotenuse is always the longest side in a triangle like this, the longest side in a right angle triangle. So this here, this side here is our hypotenuse. Now h squared, 5 squared, which we've got over here, is 25. And A and B are just letters that we use to talk about the other two sides. And in this case, it doesn't matter which way around they go. A and B are our shortest two sides. So if we let this side be A and this side B, so A squared, 3 squared, that would be 9, or B and B squared, 4 times 4, 4 squared would be 16. And so what we get is the square built on this side has the same size as the other two squares on the shorter sides combined. So 25 equals 9 plus 16. And so this connection always holds when we have a right angle triangle.